Customer gave us a call. He wants to go ahead and pump out his aerobic septic system. An aerobic system is different from a conventional septic system. It has a bunch of moving parts, but basically the water's treated and then dispersed through sprinkler heads or in the ground through a drip system. The sludge tank was really thick, so we're going to go ahead and mix it up with the crust buster. Got a nice poop smoothie going. Smells like money. Someone in the comments had asked if it mixes up all the layers. It does. It mixes up the top crust, the sludge at the bottom, and the effluent in between. Once I finish blending everything together, it makes it a whole lot easier to pump everything out. I love showing up to pump out an aerobic system because they all have risers, which means we usually don't have to dig. The reason for the risers is that in Texas, all aerobic septic systems are required to be inspected quarterly, which means every 3 months. We're going to make sure and pump down every single chamber, and once we get to the bottom, like always, we're going to rinse it off with a water hose. Since these are required to be inspected, the inspector will let us know when it needs pumping again.